For the past year and a half, I've been stuck at home, which means I had to work from the same room which I sleep in. And as you can see from the back, this is my desk, and today's video is about my desk setup. So I'm going to show you everything which I'm using. So I'll begin by showing you these two monitors which I'm using. They are a 23 or 24 inch Dell 2017 monitors. They are pretty good. Obviously, one of them is not good enough. You'll have to have two in order to fulfill your work. But you know, having one of them, like, it's good to watch YouTube and stuff like that. Basically, what I usually do is I have my code on one side, and then I would have my browser open or my Slack or Zoom open on the other monitor. And yeah, they look pretty good, and they're good quality for the size. I also have a stand, so I got rid of the stand that they come in with, and I got this stand from work. And basically what it allows me to do is mount them together, and basically it gives them a clearer, like a cleaner look, and it's much nicer for me. Like, it's very appealing, because the other stands which they came with take up a lot of space, and this one, as you can see, it just attaches to the desk. It allows me to hide the cables in the back almost. So then we have the mouse. I really like this mouse. The only issue which I don't like is when you charge it, you have to flip it upside down, so you can't really use it while charging it. I've no idea what they were thinking when they designed this, but other than that, it's very good. The battery lasts for a very long time, and I really like it. And in here, I have a keyboard. As you can see, it's a wired keyboard. So I did have a Mac or an Apple keyboard before, and it's in my closet, but I'm using this one instead, because with this one you can do a lot of things. So some of the things I can do with this, as I was saying, is I could use where is it? It has a lot of RGB colors, and I could change it. I could, could mess around with it. There's a lot of, where is it? There's a lot of different options. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I really like it. And the only thing I don't like about it is there is no command key like you see on a Mac. So I had to configure the Alt key here to act as a command key, and the Windows key to act as a control key. To act as an option key. Yeah, but other than that, it's really nice. It's a mechanical keyboard, brown switches, and it's really good. Yeah, like, listen to the sound. I really like it. It wasn't that expensive as well, but the only thing as well, it is cable keyboard, which might not be what everyone wants, but to me it's good enough. It's also really heavy, which is really good, good quality, and I really like it. Also in here we have my MacBook. This is the companies that I work for. This is a 15-inch MacBook Pro, 2017. In here I have a dock station which connects everything all together. It's okay. I prefer something else, but it does the job. Also, I have my headphones here, which I use when there's a lot of noise and I can't work. I bought them last year. At the moment, I'm not using them because there's no noise in the house, but usually I use them when it's very noisy, and they're really good. Again, the only things I don't like about them is the calling quality. So the microphone on them is really bad. And if you want to buy a microphone to communicate with people or to use for Zoom, don't get them. Majority of people had problems with them. I didn't read the reviews before buying them. All I knew was the sound quality is really good, and they are quite good except for calling. So if you're buying them to call people, I wouldn't advise you buy them because the quality on Zoom is really poor. Battery life is really good. Yeah, like I bought them just to use them when there's noise basically, and they're really good. What else? Oh, I bought this microphone a couple of weeks ago. You can see I still haven't opened up the cable. I use it mainly for Zoom calls because what I was thinking of doing is closing the lid and using this microphone, but for some reason now, if I close the lid, the laptop shuts down. So I need to look at or to work on this or to fix it basically. Other than that, the quality of the microphone is really good for the price I paid. It wasn't that expensive. It was like, I think it was like 30 euro. And as you can see, it is connected, so I am using it for Zoom calls. And obviously, if I bring it near me, the quality of the sound or the quality of my voice will be a bit higher than, having it all the way at the back. Other than that, I have one other thing I've added, which is the RGB lights. I'm not really, I don't use them that much, but as you can see, it adds a bit of ambiance to the desk. And this is what my desk looks like when I'm working. I'm also managed some of the cables by, well, as you can see the mess here, but I did manage to purchase this little thing. And basically what it allows me to do is group a bunch of cables all together and then have them basically connected to the extension here. But as you can see, you only see one thingy or one cable. There is a bunch of cables as well which I need to fix. But other than that, this is what my desk looks like from the side. This is what it looks like from here. And also I have one last thing, which is this chair from IKEA, which I have for the past 2 years, I think. It's good enough, it's comfortable. Over time, the cushion starts to sink in, so you start feeling the bare metal. Obviously, when I started, I didn't have a microphone, I didn't have a keyboard, I didn't have a dock station, I didn't have these monitors, I didn't have the microphone. Over time, I started building up this desk. I started with just the laptop. So please don't feel the pressure or the need to buy anything because you don't need it. You can do your work just with a laptop and build it up slowly as you like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you like it, leave a thumbs up and make sure you follow me for more videos as I'm starting to upload more slowly but surely. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in the next video.